Alright, in this video I'll show you guys how to make money on Temu through affiliate marketing. If this video helped, be sure to subscribe and like and watch to the end. So what this process is called is affiliate marketing, which you can share your link of any product that you choose and send it to anyone that they may want to buy. So first thing you want to do is just go to the search bar on the top and search for affiliate program. Once you're here, you can just claim money on it. And now just scroll all the way down till you see this $100 coupon and just share. You can just share all of these to your friends or family. And once they sign up using Temu, they get free stuff and you also get free money. So it's a win-win for both sides.